You come with me. Let's analyze US30. So right now I'm on the weekly time frame, and there's not really much information on the weekly time frame. I'm looking to go to my daily. So if you look right here, you can see we had a liquidity sweep of the daily low, sorry, of the weekly low. But yeah, this is a sweep. We have our liquidity sweep, sweep the weekly low, vast. Then we broke above yesterday's high, closed green. Liquidity sweep here. This is a change of character. Market is about to change direction. That's actually what it meant. Then we closed. Confirmation. We got the confirmation we needed already. So right here, marking our daily low, new daily low, or new daily high. And I'm looking to buy. We should buy to clear weekly high. Right here. We might go higher, possibly big chance of going higher, but that was my target. That's the obvious liquidity level right now. Wait for liquidity, target liquidity. Now we're going to our 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours, this is crazy. There's something I've noticed on my back testing session right here. Once we have two fair value gap, especially at the brink of a breakout, there's a higher chance or higher percentage we are going to tap into the first one, this first one only, and just move like this. With a high chance I'm just going to tap into feel this one and we'll just break out based on back testing sessions. Not really, but what I'll do is I'll mark the two fair value gap. I'll mark the two fair value gap. Then I'll go to my 15 minutes, check if any of them has been filled. Can see right here. This one looks like, yeah, there's no fair value gap here. I use the fair value gap indicator by the way. I can't be stressing to look never candle, but you have to master fair value gap before you add an, indi- an indicator to make your work easier. Yeah. So right here, this is the only fair value gap that doesn't look investigated or that isn't. Aside this ones, which will be where my sell is, it's going to be take the fair value gap right here, be our entry. Our SL, our SL is supposed to be no normally daily low here, but our SL is supposed to be last mitigated the fair value gap. But this one right here looks unmitigated, even this and this, just for safety sake. Right here we are going, our SL is going to behind our daily low here. Now TP weekly high. I knew this was going to be crazy. It's very, very, very small. Yeah, but doesn't matter. Right here, what I'll do is I always for confirmation. I wait for the market to come back and tap into it. If we get an aggressive pump, I will enter on the next fair value gap, then use the low as my SL. Or if we come down below, anyone that happens, I'll pick my entry here. I'll just wait for confirmation because the R is too small. You can't have an edge with this kind of risk reward. It's too small. And you always have to know where your TP is, not adjusting TP anyhow. I'd say the obvious take profit is the weekly high. Yeah, that's the obvious liquidity level. Yeah, so we'll be waiting for confirmation for the market to fill into here. Getting right. Let me set an alert.
5 hours later.
I'm outside, but I just opened my trading view right now, and we're already running in profits. So what I did when my alarm got triggered was basically I went on the 15-minute time frame, right? Remember this fair value gap right here. This is what I used. I later used because markets came crashing with momentum. Markets came crashing with momentum. I just let it play out, and I marked fair value gap. This fair value gap right here, and we got triggered, and now we're running in massive profits. We are running in profits. Let me exaggerate. And this is about let's say 1 to 1, almost 1 to 1. Let's just say 1 to 1. And I'll be closing here because of this fair value gap here. There's a probability we might say in markets trading is a game of probability, but there's a probability we might say, but alright, I'll just be closing out here. That's it. Simple 1 to 1, done for the day. It's up, no stress. This this strategy is all you need, man. All you need. There's no really anything. You don't really need you don't really need a lot of things to make money in this market. So don't forget to like, subscribe, follow for more tips.